NDM produces deck machinery for marine and offshore industries. Based in Bergen, Norway, the bulk of their business is from their winches. When they heard that Viking Line was planning to build the Viking Grace, NDM decided to put in a bid for the mooring and anchor winches.
And then suddenly we were there, and we were over with discussed with the yard and with Viking Line, and they were amazed of the knowledge we had on the winches and the things we knew about winches and how it could be used. My name is Jarle Sørstrand. I'm the managing director in Norwegian Deck Machinery, and our company is focused on delivering products to the marine and oil and gas industry.
Viking Line's requirements for the winches were challenging. Because the ship has such quick turnaround times in harbour, the mooring winches needed to let the rope out and retrieve the ropes very quickly. Accurate and constant tension control while dockside was another key requirement.
My name is Frank Robert Føskanger. I'm the sales manager of drives in Norway, and I'm closely involved in the winch business in Norway. We started out ABB presenting our solutions towards NDM, and NDM saw several benefits of using ABB drives and ABB winch softwares.
And we heard some good rumors about them, and we tried it out, and we were really satisfied.
So they adapted our solution and put that into their winches.
When NDM put together their offer for Viking Line, they included the use of ABB's drives for winch control. This helped make NDM's offer more competitive, especially since it removed the need for external motor encoders and hydraulic systems. This helped their solution integrate easily into Viking Grace's environmental goals. NDM knew that ABB drives would help meet Viking Line's tough requirements.
So all these special requirements they had, we could solve with using the ABB frequency converter. The frequency converter they have is specialized for the need we have. So it's really easy for us to use them.
Winches is one of the toughest applications, but although it's a tough application, it's easy to utilize the software and to commission the drive and to have the winch working is not a big task.
And now we are just using ABB all the time, and sometimes it's actually customers' request to have on the ABB frequency converters.